Did you know there are over 30,000 species of wasps in the world? And scientists are still finding more. Not just one type. There are over 30,000 species of wasps worldwide, and scientists are still discovering more. They can recognize faces. Some species like the European paper wasp can recognize individual faces of other wasps, just like humans do. Super builders. Wasps make nests from chewed wood mixed with saliva, creating a paper-like material. That's why some are called paper wasps. Natural pest controllers. Wasps help farmers by eating harmful insects like caterpillars and flies. They're important for the ecosystem. Not all wasps sting. Only female wasps can sting. The stinger is actually a modified egg-laying organ. Zombie-making wasps. The emerald jewel wasp can sting a cockroach in the brain and control it like a zombie, forcing it to walk into its nest. They can fly fast. Some wasps can fly up to 15 to 20 kilometers per hour. Important pollinators. While bees are famous pollinators, many wasps also help in pollination. Solitary vs social. Some wasps live alone, while others live in colonies with a queen, like the yellow jacket. They remember grudges. Wasps can remember threats and become more aggressive if their nest is disturbed. Follow for more mind-blowing animal facts.